Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna walk through best video editing app for Android. Remove object from photo. In Play Store, you can find so many apps that can remove object from photo, just like InShot, CapCut, PixArt, and so on. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you do it in your gallery. So go to your gallery and select the photo, just like this photo, and click on the edit icon. Now after clicking it, just scroll here, and here you can see erase button. Just click on it. Now just erase the object that you want to remove. Just smoothly erase it. I'm erasing this car. Here you can see the car is now disappeared. If you click on the top right original, here you can see the original one and the one that I did now. And to save it, just click the bottom right side and click the top right save. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.